Hello again, guys. It's me. It's been a hot second. It's been a while since I've done a video because I've been kind of distracted and a lot of stuff has just been happening. So yeah, sorry about that. Today I'm here with a new video. Basically, it's kind of a thrift flip. Also, just kind of redoing some of my clothes that I have in my closet. We're gonna go to we're gonna go to Goodwill and find stuff we want to tie-dye, bleach, you know the drill. It just opened and there's been huge lines to get rid of stuff. It says Isaac Janicki on YouTube. Go subscribe. They had a sign that said all customers must wear a mask. So I don't know what we're doing now. Guys, I've seen people make masks out of paper and rubber bands before. Okay, we're going to Walmart.
Okay, can we look there too?
Found a tank top at Walmart, but now we're just looking for face masks so that we can go into Goodwill. Okay, we just got out of Walmart. We're gonna go to Target next because Walmart didn't have face masks. I know Target does. Now at Target, got the goods. Standing over in the night. Yo, these smell so gross. Back at Goodwill once again. Pretty dang.
Truth, what wear?
What? Let's go, guys. We ain't getting any good vibes from here. We just got back in from Goodwill and found nothing. Yeah, it's over. Hey, bye. Just kidding. Anyway, let's go back home and I'll see you in my backyard. Okay, we had a little mistake that we forgot, along with the other ones that we had. Forgot bands, but found a few. So I don't really know how to do this, but I'm going to try it out. Got the bleach. And you have to like water it down. I have a water bottle that we're gonna put it in. I don't know if you guys recognize this hoodie from anywhere. It's kind of dirty. I don't really care. I want to bleach. Then I have a Van shirt that I think would be super cute bleached. I've been really liking this bleach trend that's going on. I want to try it out for myself. And also, I've got some snacks here. Super, frick, someone's coming. Maybe not, but super healthy. I'm actually really hungry right now, so I'm just gonna do a little mukbang for you guys, if that's how you say it. Kind of melty. Why am I always eating in my videos?
So good.
Wow, I could smell that. Okay, tell me when.
You just fill it all the way.
All the way. Oop. Oh. It's bad if it gets on your skin.
Yeah.
Concentrate.
You can mix it.
Oop, all cap. I'm gonna do my Van shirt first. Might do like a bunch of little, you know? So we're gonna take our rubber bands here. This is so not professional at all, this whole video. I think I saw how you do it. You just kind of scrunch up like that. Kind of just go like that. This is what it should look like. Now you just take this and you just dump it all in. It's already starting to turn. What the heck? Flowers in her hair. No one ever loves her. Wow, it smells like a pool, that's for sure. Ugh. I can't believe this is a full sweatshirt right here. Alright, here we go. Look how the Van shirt is already turning out. Look at that. Just ate supper and eat one of these bad boys. And I'm gonna take my rubber bands out of my shirt and sweatshirt. I like the color. Ooh, that's so cute. Now we're just gonna take out the bands. Guys, this is gonna be so cool. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. Ooh, the back is amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend you do this. Disney sweatshirt. It's a little more darker of a red. Oh. This is so cool. I'm so happy I did this. This turned out so good. I call it a success. So after bleaching, then we had to go wash them out in our tub, squeeze them out just like you would tie-dye. Put them in the washer and just on a regular wash, I guess. Now we wait. Alright, they're done drying. Oh my gosh. Try on haul in 3, 2, 1. to say, the video's over. It's come to an end. So grateful that you stayed till this. If you stayed till this point, put a star emoji in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't do any tie-dye. I was meaning to, but then I was like, yeah, it's just gonna be a really long video, and I can do that for another video maybe sometime. If you have any video ideas, drop them in the comments and let me know. Share it with your friends maybe. I don't know. I'm trying to upload every Wednesday, every week. Trying. Not the best at it. So sorry I took like forever to post again. I had a lot of stuff going on. My boyfriend came to visit school. I'm graduating this year, so I wanted to make sure I got all that figured out. Anyway, I hope you guys have a glorious and wonderful rest of your day. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Till next time. Bye!